Hi, the weather's getting colder and I just feel like I've got nothing to wear. And that's because I have a very small wardrobe and I usually put my out of season clothes in a tub down the bottom, out of the way, so that what's hanging is what I wear the most. And that makes getting dressed every day a lot easier. But for now, because of the change of seasons, I need to switch it up. So I'm going to hang some of the stuff that's down there and pack away some of the stuff that's up there. The first thing I'm going to do though is make my bed, because this is an awesome workspace. Next, I'm going to set out some categories for sorting. So these things I am going to hang up. These things I'm going to pack away for another 6 months or so. And inevitably, there are going to be some donations. Let's get started. Folks. Now I have a curated wardrobe with lots of winter woolies for the colder weather.